Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FashDecor. Today we are driving into world of kitchen design where we will explore the latest trend, innovation ideas and clever tips to transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. Whether you are renovating or just cooking for some inspiration, we will got you covered. Let's get started. Most popular trend is incorporative construction materials, pairing a marble or quartz cover top with a wooden base can add warmth and visual interest to your kitchen design. Now let's talk about organization, a key of element in any kitchen. An effective pretty can make a world of difference. Maximum your storage space will pull your drawers, adjustable sleeves and labels consider. This way you can easily find everything you need while keep your kitchen clutter free. Lighting play a crucial role in a kitchen design, both of terms of functionally and aesthetics. Consider installing a combination of ambient task and ancient lights. Pendant lights above the island or their statement candles can add a touch of elegance and personal to your kitchen, minimizing a timeless trend that continues to gain popularity. Enhance clear lines, neutral colors, hidden storage solution to create a sleek and clutter-free kitchen. Remember, less is more. Now let's talk about backspace, an excellent opportunity to introduce texture and personality to your kitchen. Subway tiles remains a classy choice, but do not be afraid to expand it with a patterned or colored tiles to make a bold statement. Natural color on transform any kitchen, makes it free, open and interesting. If possible, maximize your amount of natural color by installing large window or even a skylight. This will not only brighten your space but also create a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor easily. And lastly, let's not forget about appearance. Nowadays appears go behind functionally, they are designed element too. Consider stainless steel finishing for a modern and stick look, or explore retro expired option for a village vibes. And the warps of our exploring of kitchen designs. Remember, the kitchen is the heart of home, so let your creativity flow and design space affect your personal style. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. So let's thank you for watching and see you next video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.